Hello, Helen Chin-Lu here from the Healing Place. Where am I? Healing Place in Medfield. I had to think about where I am. Anyways, today's topic is tennis injuries. We're talking about, someone emailed me and said that their elbow hurts along with their knees. So I'm going to show you a reflexology tip that's done on the foot that you could help alleviate the pain. So I am ready to show you this tip. If Angela is going to give me back the camera, and I'm going to turn it to the foot. See, everybody gets to see Kirby and Milo. And here we are, looking at the foot. I'm going to do this demonstration on one foot. You should do it on both. So right at the pinky toe, right about here, take your finger, go all the way down, and you'll feel a divot right here. This is your elbow. So I want you to really dig in. So think of this as a piece of pie, and you're going to dig in. And how long to do it, depending on how much time. You could do it, I would say, a minute in my session, because today Andrew mentioned that his elbow's bothering him. I'm going to be here quite a bit. And then if you follow the bone, excuses my fingers turn black, go all the way down, and the next piece of pie, that this triangle here, is the knee. I had to think about this. So I'm going to dig in here. Notice how my thumb is turning white. And then if you want to add the hip, which usually with tennis injuries, there's a lot of rotation from side to side. The hip is located right underneath the ankle bone, and you want to dig. So notice how my thumb is really turning white, and I'm digging in there. You should do this tip on both the feet, because wherever that you work in the leg, usually you're overcompensating on the other side of the body. So this is Helen Chin-Lu from the Healing Place, and that's my tip for today, to take care of your elbows and your knees. Bye-bye.